As you are seeing it now, the entrance. Massive huge turnout here at Ibore. Eastern Central, right here, PFM TV. Can you believe this? Oh my word. Alright, meanwhile, we have to clear the podium for Comrade Asali Oshomole, of course, Pastor Sageze Yamu. But meanwhile, you will see this mob, energetic, fire brand supporters who have turned out for this rally here today at Ibore, Eastern Central.
Nigeria's calling. With our strength and faith, the labor of our heroes shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind, one nation bound in freedom.
Beautiful viewers, we are live once again here, but this time around at Ibore in Irua, Eastern Central, for this World Rally for Pastor Sageze Yamu.
APC is a Yamu for governor. All of you here, if you know you will vote for Pastor on the 19th of September, raise your hand and shout. Okay. All our leaders have been addressing you before the arrival of Pastor and Comrade. So now the man who wrote the simple agenda that we have all been waiting for is here. The man that is going to wipe away our tears of the past 4 years under Obaseki. So let us now hear the message of the simple agenda from Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu. Pastor! APC. Ward 1, oh yeah. Our women, oh yeah. Our youth, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oshomole, oh yeah. Ward 4, oh yeah. Well, for this wonderful welcome. Nobody will not go happy the way they will take welcome us. Now God go bless you now. Everything where Obaseki no gree do for una for the past 4 years, God go use Ize-Iyamu take do for una. Una no go vote for person called they regret. Who na go vote for now go wipe away una tears. God go prosper this place. God go give una good road. He go give una hospital. He go give una employment.
He go bring governor wey go support our women. And we go give jobs to our youth. In Jesus' name I pray. Now, this matter dey very simple. Na me and Governor Obaseki. All una need to ask una sef be say, this governor wey he say make we vote for am, wetin he do for Ward 1 and Ward 4? If he do well, una fit talk say, pastor go sit down. But if he no do anything, then the question be say, why he wan continue? Who wan continue bad thing? The road wey we take come here, who do am? Who do am?
Very huge crowd here, bubbling with so much energy for Pastor Sageze Yamo and Ganlin Audo.
If Oshomole not do well, una for greet am like this. But because he do well, he come here now, see how una take greet am. Me talk say the God wey do am say I talk pass Oshomole. He go no do am say the work wey I go do go talk pass him own. But make I assure una, no be just say make una drive away Obaseki. The important thing is say who wan replace am. I get simple agenda. With that agenda, una go see plenty work for Ward 1 and Ward 4. Una go see plenty work for Esa Central. Una go see plenty work for Edo Central. Una go see plenty states. That simple agenda, I just tell you for 2 minutes. X na security. We need to improve security for our state. Next one na infrastructure. Road, light, water, hospital. Una no need am? The other one na manpower or woman power development, education training. School no be school wey teacher no dey. Many schools for here na teachers dey. We go employ teachers. We go build more school. The last time we build school for this state na which time? Oshomole time. When you go see red roof, you go know say na Oshomole do am. This man build any school. But we go build school. We go build school. Wetin pay me be say even the ones wey the man see, the man dey destroy am. And Bruce Ali University, Oshomole was giving them 270 million a month. This man come and I say too much. He dey give them 96 million. 2 months ago they had to borrow money to pay salary. This one wey pass, so they no fit pay salary. If they kill Abusali University, you know go affect una for here. I show some of una children they attend that school. That's the only thing we una get for Esa land, only the university. And the man wan kill am. Una go gree? The other one na public-private partnership. Supporting our people. Whether na industries or whether na agriculture or whether na farming or supporting them. Asian people dey very strong for farming, but they need support. Unfortunately, even money wey this governor collect to help farmers, he put am for him pocket. He collect 5.6 billion from Central Bank to give small farmers. Any of una get am? Any of una get am? I be no farmer for this place. No farmer for this place. Farmer dey. If you be farmer, raise up your hand make I see una. But other public-private partnership things go change. The leadership by example. Governor wey dey God fearing. Governor wey dey sincere. Governor wey no go deceive una. Governor wey if he make promise he go do am. No be governor wey go talk one thing he no go fit do am. Then the last one Now governor will go give employment to our people and empower them. All these youths wey dey here now, how many of them get job? The governor promise say if una elect am, he go create 200,000 jobs. That 200,000 job, how many come ward 1? How many come ward 4? So a person wey no know so dey exist, you know, bring am come back. No. But by the grace of God, we go create job. Even the vigilante arrangement wey we get, even the security arrangement wey wan support vigilante, una go get job for them. We don tell them, hey, Wu flour mill, we are going to bring it back, job go come from there. Agriculture support to farmers, job go come from there. I tell them say even water wey no dey, una know Ubalo water scheme. If we do am, we no bring water come around, so una go see the difference. Then for the women, one thing we don see, if not the women, we don finish for Edo State. Our women, if you give them 10,000, go back in 3 months' time, it don't be 30,000. So what our women need, not be just rapa. They want money to support them. By the grace of God, in our empowerment program, we are going to support women. Because when you put money for woman hand, now family they support. And when you are supporting family, you are supporting Edo State. To achieve all this, everybody must vote for APC. If not be shame, when PDP they come, not be Oshomole road they come. If not be Oshomole, they must see road reach here. So what? No light. Okay. Now, my brother, waiting hard to bring light come this community. For governor wey serious, wetin difficult for am? Somebody tell me say he no go even reach 10 million. For how much? 4.5 million. Now they need, and yet they no gree do am. Any who be engineer for this community? You be engineer? Who be engineer? 4.5 million go pay like come back here. 4.5 million. You go pay like come here. On Monday I'll give her the 4.5 million. You go pay her.
Roma Ward. You can see how erupted this place has become. For this promise, selfless promise by Pastor Sagezeyago. So give, of course, to the people of Ibore, Esan Central.
Hey, wait now. You know, some things they make person shame. Our people don't get light because of 4.5 million. If not be say, I now go Benin till weekend. I was there tomorrow, but I want to tell you now. On Monday, unfailingly, I'll give her 4.5 million cash. Listen. Wait, thank you. Thank you. Wait. All I beg una. More na go talk to those who are not here. Make una resolve say, na only people who care for una. Now I go support. You are tired of the seat, not be mouth. Now wetin we see. PDP government have not done anything for you. Obaseki has not done anything for you. And anybody tell you to vote for them is your enemy. Even in this community, anybody that will tell you to vote for them is an enemy. By the grace of God, we will not disappoint you. If you know you will vote for APC, make a see on the hand for us.
So I want to give microphone to a man I'm very proud of and a man will do well. Now good things that they copy. I pray to God when me also finish my tenure, I go come here. The one that they praise our soul, na soul that will praise me. I give the microphone to Osho Spiritual. Osho Miracle. Thank you very, very much. You know, yeah, you go kiss me too. Thank you very much. You know, Pastor, well done. Let me greet you. So let me start by saying I apologize to all of you. Because 4 years ago, Obaleki was working with me like a motorboy they work with driver. After 8 years, no, I want you to listen. Because people will say, why I can't change my mind. When we were doing this road, Obaleki was working with me. And we agreed that the only way to prosper our rural communities, there are 3 things that we need. The people can do the rest for themselves. First is road. Because without road, if they post teacher here, you know if he drive off bush path, you know we live here. Without road, you do farm, you harvest, to carry and go market is problem. So road infrastructure is number 1. And the road must be standard. You know why I come down far? At the waka, at least I do exercise. Because this don't allow me to gym again. But I was also looking at the road, whether pothole don't enter. Pothole never enter. Because we did a solid job. Number 2, we agreed to build beautiful schools. So that the children of the poor will not feel that they are attending dirty schools. And so they grow up feeling inferior compared to children of rich people. Because me in the village I come from, if I don't go school, or if I go school without teacher, I don't go feel rich here. Obaleki was with me. We agree we have to give water. We'll be doing boreholes. We did some borehole government. I won't know the locations now. But we know that when we continue, over time, everywhere we have water. We did water at Iruekwe. We did that. There are several other places, but I can't remember all of them. Now all those ones we did, you know none of them is working now. For the simple reason that they cannot buy diesel to put on the generator to make those water to flow. There is no new road he has done. The schools are the way they were. He has not built new schools. Sometimes they will go and paint the one way I do, or remove the window, casement window with glass. They go replace her with a steel window, and then they go and put signboard. I saw that this is a man who came in on purpose to cheat and to embezzle Edo money for his own personal good. How much he go eat in a day, only God knows. So I called him, Obaseki, you are going to spoil the name of our party. Some of you will remember. Some of you will definitely remember. When I was campaigning for him, and even for my second term, I said, Mark. You remember? Remember this? If you don't see it, don't believe it. If the person is a sitting governor, a new person can say, I will. When you are already a governor, you cannot start by saying, I will do this. You have to first say, this is what I have done. So if I ask you, what has Obaseki done in water? 0. Where is the new road? 0. Where are the new teachers? Where are the new nurses? Where are the new doctors? So if you don't perform for 4 years, you collect money. I think the one that Pastor talked about, that one made me my boy must be honesty. You ask people to fill form that they will get agricultural loan.
I'm sure some of you were told to fill that form. Now you use money to fill that form between 1,000 and 2,000. So when government takes from the poor to make them poorer in the name of borrowing money for them, not before one night be that one. When a governor cheats on his people, for me, that is the height of abuse of public trust. And what you need for words to have meaning is integrity. So I look at POI, I said, just like I look at GO, I said, how can we interpret it? This person of integrity is Pastor Ezeyamo. As Madam as he wear POI, we will call him Pastor Osage Iyamo. For me, person of integrity. You know why this is important? Without integrity, you will have no shame. And if you have no shame, nothing stop you for shitting for market. I'm sorry to use the word shit. So the truth is, Obaseki has come to destroy our party and destroy our state. That is why when I was chairman, I said, I cannot face Edo people again and say, vote for Obaseki. What will I campaign with? That is why we withdraw him, we refuse him to contest on APC platform. If we put a player for food, for feed, I know some of you now they watch Manchester United, Ronaldo, and all those people. Me, I only watch better insurance, by the way. But when a player no fit play well for halftime, if they do own goal, they reverse you. What do you go do? You go change them and introduce a new player. So this is the logic, because now if Obaseki was our candidate, tell me how I go do. I will come and say, don't worry, you didn't fail the first time. Allow him to do receipt. Which kind of receipt? So please, like Pastor said, don't go round. Edo is one. Edo is one. You know, when I look at this road, you know, we started this road from Ewu to Subenu to over 7 communities are connected. Yeah, somebody like that for me here. He said from Irua to Edi Owo, Edenu, Udowo, Kubaro, Atwago, Ekilo, Ogwesa. Because after all, my wife Naisa. It is possible for a governor to touch the life of people in every local government. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. And Obaseki just thought that people were foolish. He told me, don't worry, when election reach, we go begin give money on election day. That's why, whether I work or not, when people see 5,000 that day, they go vote. Let me be very honest with you. If the man bring you 10,000, 5,000, take it as your part refund. But it will be foolish to take 5,000 and allow the man to destroy you for the next 4 years. Those 5,000, how much you go take the PM motor if you no good? How your children go bail you out if there is no teacher in your school? In any case, that will be the final term. Do you want to make that mistake? No. Now, somebody just told me he was sharing 2 cups of rice. First, be careful. Wait. Be careful, because the man is a juju man. No, I'm not joking. No, listen well, and don't shout at all. Federal government say rice for COVID relief. If you read paper, you see Buhari say they should relieve food. But his own native doctor tell us to make it a share small thing. Do you know in Benin, Pastor, you must be aware of this because you are a man of God and you don't believe in those things. Do you know that, listen to this, yesterday, day before yesterday, Obaseki, they fry akara. They are giving fried akara to women in the market. That one, are you not ashamed? God knows they distribute akara Because if native doctor tell am say whoever eat the akara as he dey swallow it, he go go for that. That native doctor, let me tell you, no juju, no native medicine, no amount of money can save him. Because the combined frustration in your face and your ancestors, the prayer of our elders, the pain of our children, the frustration of our mothers is enough to dismiss any evil plan made by a man born of a woman to blindfold the people of Edo State, not to translate GO to the correct meaning. What is GO? Who wrote that for a cap? What a man writes must prevail in his life. Obaseki must! Obaseki must! GO means GO! GO! GO!
That's it, beautiful people. Yeah. Thank you. Bye for now.